We're in the Northeast, and I promise you guys a video every weekend, and we're gonna do a video every weekend. We have been swamped in the Northeast with rain, just miserable weather, as you guys can see here. Just miserable. And like I said, I promised you guys a video, so we're gonna do a video. We're gonna go hiking into this trail towards the Hudson River, where there's like an old cemetery, and you're gonna get down to two creeks that run parallel down by the river. This is the first time we're gonna be doing this trail, and it's raining, and I'm hoping it's not flooded out where we can't walk through there. But like I said, I promised you guys a video. We're gonna do a video. So like, subscribe, and follow us. Every Saturday I am gonna do a video. Regardless, we're gonna do a video. So check out this road and subscribe.
Raining, we're hiking. Told you every Saturday we're doing a video, so every Saturday we're doing a video. Get my hood on. It is it's because of the trees. There's not a, it's like the rain doesn't really hit me too much, not really bothering me. Yeah, we're good. The Marlboro Nature Trail. So this is the map. So they got, I guess, the yellow trail, the red trail, and the blue trail. Look at that. Oh, look at this water.
Again, we're in New York. It is miserable up here. It is May 30th. May. So it may rain. It may snow. It may be icy, it might be nice, it may be whatever Mother Nature decides she wants to be. So we'll take it.
Every Saturday, past Saturday has been bad.
So cut through here. I know there's a trail through here, like I said. This looks like there was an old house. You guys can see the ruins here of an old foundation. Is this recording? Yeah.
Yeah.
You see the wall.
I don't know what
Some
that
kind
was.
of structure. There goes the chimney to the old place. If I could, don't put it too close to the edge here.
Yeah. Sucks can't go down there. Hey, look at this. Is that old bear trap?
Old ruins.
What is this?
That's,
Is that like a trap?
yeah.
Yeah, it's a bear trap. Oh, that's old too.
No, sorry.
Everything's all rusted up. Oh, you can get down there. If you wanted to go through here and then go down, you can get down here.
Yeah, don't. Nah, I'm
Nah?
good. Nah.
Alright.
Nah, it's too wet.
Safety first. Yeah, there's like brick here too, so there's like a pretty big house.
Old ruins.
Tired.
This old stone wall. Yeah, that's definitely old. So let's see.
So they got like 3 different trails. So
This was something here. I don't know exactly what it was. But
must have been like a house. This is a piece of not sure what this is. It's
that's that wire.
Oh yeah, it's an old wire. It's just crazy.
So
Here's the red. So that way.
yeah, that's why so you don't get lost. But
I know it sucks. Riverview Cemetery. So there's a cemetery like up there. I think you could get it. You could see it. It's like an old, creepy little cemetery. Right here. Trails in.
look at those headstones.
Yeah.
Military vet. We thank George and his family for their service. There's not much information other than his name, but Colton, we thank you for your service, sir. May you rest peacefully.
Yes.
Gonna go downhill from here. I want to show you guys the Hudson River where it meets two water passages, and I didn't bring any pepper spray or any horns because we do have bears up this way, but I think we're pretty good.
Yeah. Crazy. I feel like I'm in a rainforest.
Man, it is nasty out here.
Oh, look at the water. This would be a cool place to gold pan too. Huh? I gotta cut that out, man. There's some loose ones.
We do it or we do like a sound thing?
Yeah, this one's nice. Look at the water. Show me water. Listen. Dad? Dad, where you going, Dad? Dad! Where you going, man? Yo! This dude's faster than me!
Here we go.
Here we are.
So we made it, guys.
Woo.
Check this out. Is this cool or what? Check this out. You can see where Latin Town Creek is flowing. Well, Jews Creek is flowing into Latin Town Creek. You can see where they're mixing, which is absolutely crazy. Latin Town Creek, you see it's flowing. See that water flowing into the Hudson River. And you have Jews Creek flowing into the Hudson River. So you have these two passages that is one side and one side flowing right into the Hudson River. That is absolutely cool. Absolutely cool. You guys enjoy, like, subscribe, help us out a lot. We'll be doing videos every weekend, every Saturday preferably, and we'll keep on going.